Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in the essentials: theme, mood, and a rough length. This guides every choice. Once done, specify genre and point of view so the model learns context. Give 612 keywords and a chorus hook line for focus. Next, pick an AI model and a vocal style or instrument palette. This affects phrasing and timbre. Finally, set tempo or BPM and desired rhyme density. These concrete inputs reduce ambiguity and make the first generated draft usable immediately. You now craft a structured prompt. State verse-chorus bridge order, syllable targets, rhyme scheme, and any melodic motif. Then generate a first draft and read it aloud. Mark weak lines and ask the AI for 3 alternatives per line. Once you have swaps, splice, and rerun the prompt with explicit constraints, reduce clichés, preserve hook, increase metaphor. Also adjust temperature and max tokens to control creativity and length, and use repetition controls so the chorus repeats exactly where you want it. You finish by polishing cadence and singability, shorten lines, fix consonant clusters, and test phrasing with a simple melody. Once done, generate a melody via MIDI model or hum-to-MIDI and align syllables to notes. Make sure the chorus lands on strong beats. If the song feels off, troubleshoot. Simplify the prompt, provide a 2-4 bar seed melody, or request fewer metaphors. Finally, export lyrics and stems. Make one mastering pass and listen on 2 different systems to confirm balance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.